how to import context in a mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that you need to open Context app. If you don't have that app, you guys can download it from Play Store, but it was normally in every phone. So I will simply click on that app. Once you click on that app, you guys will see on top right corner profile pic, also merge and fix, remind of scam group, distort context, and also context highlights, organize on downside. So simply you guys will click on organize. Once you click on organize, you guys will scroll to end. Here you guys will see import from file, export from to file. So file we are importing, so I will click on import from file. Here you guys will select email. Now here you guys will simply scroll down and you guys select the file where you want to import the context from. So I will simply select the file. Now click on that file. Once you click on that file, your context will be imported to your mobile. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.